Perilous Midnight Ride is really the most complicated piece you've had yet in your Technique and Artistry book, and it will require extra work and it will give you a bigger payoff. That's just how it goes in piano. Notice that the things that we've been working with, accents, playing with two hands at the same time, bringing pedal in just sometimes. Ooh, that's a big one. Playing forte and piano. We're really going to work all of those things with Perilous Midnight Ride. Now, the encouragement is to practice it slow, then moderate, and then faster. So I'm going to record this at 3 speeds for you. I'm going to start off with a slow speed, then a moderate speed, and then the faster speed, I'll use the same tempo as Midnight Ride in the lesson book, which is about 160 beats per minute. We're going to start with the slow playthrough. I've got my 2 on E and my 1 on C. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Next, we'll do our moderate speed. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last up, we're going to do the faster tempo. Work up to this. Don't try it right away. You don't get bonus points for jumping into the faster tempo. Great musicians, professional musicians, start slow and build up from there. When you're ready, here's the faster speed. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.